Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get egg and open the eggs in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Sometimes you will need eggs to complete a quest or a mission. For example, this Christmas quest, I need to open eggs 11 times, and I have already completed the quest because I have a lot of eggs in my inventory. Well, let me show you my eggs. Okay, these are my eggs guys in my inventory, and if you want to get the egg, you just need to wait for the egg to respawn, and you need to defeat them or beat them. Okay, sometimes the egg will appear and you need to defeat them, and then you will be able to open it. And to get better egg, you need to have better plants on your garden, and it will give you more possibilities to get better egg. And if you want to open the egg, just go to your inventory, and then you need to select one of the egg that you want to open. For example, I'm going to open this gold godly egg. Okay, just like this, and let's see what we'll get. All right, and yeah, just like that guys, if you want to get egg in Plant versus Brainrot game, and it will help you to complete the mission. Or you can buy the egg from the shop. For example, this Christmas shop, you can buy the Christmas egg. Yeah, like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can get an open egg in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.